Okay, let's dive right in. Have you ever stopped right in the middle of your workday and thought, man, there just has to be a faster way to do this? Well, if you're still doing common, tedious tasks the old way, you are literally wasting hours every single week. Welcome to this explainer. Today we're focusing on the top 5 free daily AI tools, showing you exactly how to save hours using 5 specific examples. Our goal? To show you how to double your professional achievement. I'm going to reveal the exact shortcuts that savvy professionals are quietly using right now to double their productivity and get their work done in a fraction of the time. We're cutting out all the hype and giving you practical tools you can start deploying today.
So, how many hours did you actually waste on tedious tasks this week? I want you to really think about it. Was it drafting that exact same type of email over and over? Or maybe spending an hour just organizing your notes after a massive meeting? We've all been there, and that time drain is just incredibly frustrating. But here's why you should be excited. Tool number 3 on our list today alone saved me almost 5 hours last week. That's an entire afternoon handed right back to me just by automating the busy work.
Here's the roadmap for today's explainer. We'll cover doubling your productivity and saving time, handling writing and replies via a smart assistant, fast and professional visual design, smartly managing notes and meetings, video editing and accurate research, and finally, how to double your professional achievements starting today. Let's get to it.
Section 1. Double your productivity and save time. All right, it's time to move way past the AI hype and build your daily productivity stack.
Moving right along to Section 2. Writing and replies via a smart assistant.
Let's start building that highly practical productivity stack. We're talking about a layered system that massively boosts your output without you spending a single dime. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. Now, you've definitely heard of it, but chances are you're only using about 10% of its true capability. The real secret here is using the free plan as your dedicated writing and thinking partner. The workflow is incredibly simple. Step 1, you take your messy notes or some long rambling email and paste them right into the chat. Step 2, you just ask the AI to summarize it into 3 bullet points, or hey, turn it into a ready-to-send response. Step 3, in seconds you get this clean, professional structure back. You're literally turning chaotic thoughts into polished drafts almost instantly.
And that brings us to a really crucial number, 30. By just automating these basic drafting and summarizing tasks, you can easily save yourself 30 minutes every single day on writing alone. That adds up to over 2 hours a week purely from treating ChatGPT as your personal drafting assistant. And again, the free plan is more than enough to get you these exact results.
Next up, Section 3. Fast and professional visual design.
Now, this next tool is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who needs to create professional visuals but, isn't exactly a trained graphic designer. If you manage any kind of social media or marketing content, Canva's Magic Studio is basically a massive built-in shortcut. With Magic Studio, you just upload a regular photo, use the magic eraser to instantly wipe out an unwanted element from the background, and then let the AI auto-generate a perfectly sized social media post. It resizes your content automatically for different platforms and can even write the captions for your posts without you ever leaving the window.
Just think about the sheer contrast here. The old method meant spending hours trying to learn complex, expensive design software just to crop a photo or make a decent-looking graphic. Now, the AI method with Magic Studio generates a full, ready-to-publish social post from a simple description in mere seconds. This one feature alone saves marketing and social media pros hours every single week.
All right, Section 4, smartly managing notes and meetings.
This brings us to Notion AI. Honestly, this is arguably the strongest tool in our entire stack, and the one that genuinely completely changed how I work. It lives directly inside your notes and workspace to just automate away all those administrative headaches. Let's walk through this seamless process. First, you paste a long, messy meeting transcript directly into a Notion page. Next, you simply ask the AI to extract the action items and key decisions. Instantly, you get a perfectly organized format. It can even generate full drafts based on a tiny outline, doing all the tedious parsing and organizing for you.
To put that into perspective, I used to spend a solid 20 to 30 minutes after every single meeting just organizing my notes, trying to figure out who was doing what, and formatting the takeaways. With Notion AI, that massive manual half-hour chore drops to less than 1 minute. It just becomes a complete afterthought.
Which brings us right back to this massive number, 5. That represents the 5 hours of total busy work this one specific tool saved me in just a single week. Imagine what you could do with an extra 5 hours of deep, focused work, simply by letting an AI handle your meeting notes. It's a total game changer for how you double your professional productivity.
Moving to Section 5,
video editing, and accurate research.
So now we're looking at the final two engines of our productivity stack, covering multimedia tasks and fact-checking. Tool number 4 is CapCut, and wow, the workflow is just effortless. You upload a short horizontal video, click Auto Captions and Auto Reframe, and boom, the AI generates perfectly timed subtitles and reformats your video to vertical for platforms like TikTok or Reels in seconds. It even removes background noise for you. These are tasks that used to require real technical editing skills, and now the whole shebang is automated completely for free.
The crucial point here is the incredible time savings. Manually captioning just a 5-minute video, typing out every single word and matching it up to the audio, can easily take up a full hour of your time. CapCut's AI tool generates the full transcript with perfect timing in under 60 seconds. You are literally dropping a grueling 1-hour task down to less than a minute. And that brings us to tool number 5, which happens to be my personal go-to, Perplexity AI. This small but mighty tool is designed to solve the absolutely most annoying kind of time drain in the modern professional world. I'm talking about the time you spend digging through 10 different search engine results, dodging weird ads, just to verify one single fact or find a recent update in your field.
Here's how it actually differs from a regular chatbot. Step 1. You ask a question that needs current, specific information. Step 2. Perplexity doesn't just guess, it searches the live web. Step 3. You receive a direct answer, but most importantly, it comes with actual source links and citations attached directly underneath. You aren't just getting a fast answer, you're getting verified, trustworthy information instantly.
Finally, Section 6. Double your professional achievement today.
We've covered a ton of ground today, showing you exactly how to save hours by combining these 5 free daily AI tools: ChatGPT for writing and summarizing, Canva Magic Studio for instant design, Notion AI for seamlessly organizing notes and meetings, CapCut AI for automated video editing, and Perplexity AI for source-backed research. You are looking at gaining back days of your life every single month. And the best part? They are all completely free to start using right now.
And that leaves us with one final, very important question to think about. Which of these 5 tools will you deploy today to double your output? Don't try to change your whole workflow all at once. Pick just one free tool from this explainer right now, open a free account, test it out yourself, and permanently change how you work. I absolutely cannot wait to see how much time you take back. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and keep learning.